Hey y'all, the devil filed a lawsuit, heaven or hell, your choice. That's the series we've been talking about. Now we're going to continue to talk about your options. And today we're going to talk about defending the lawsuit. In other words, fighting the devil in court. Now, once that lawsuit is filed and been served on you, one of the options is to defend the lawsuit, obviously. Now, you should probably talk to an attorney and get some good advice and maybe even hire an attorney to do this. Defending the lawsuit, fighting in court. If you believe the devil creditor is wrong and does not have a valid claim against you, or you believe you have a legal defense to the claim, maybe you should fight that lawsuit. To have a trial in front of the judge, remember, you got to file an answer within the time allowed. Otherwise, you give up your right to plead your case in front of the judge. And a default judgment is going to be entered against you. Additionally, if you have any legal defenses to the claim, you need to be sure that those defenses show up in your answer. Otherwise, you may waive them. Now, you should refer back to our previous video, Answer or Admit, and it talks about that. If you believe you don't owe an obligation to the creditor, or maybe you owe less than what they say you owe, or you have an affirmative defense, if any of these apply, you do have the right to have a trial on the matter. You have an absolute right to the trial, even if you owe the money, but what good would that do? Always remember now, the court that you're going in front of is a court of justice. A court of justice, not mercy. The fact that you can't pay the bill, or you would have difficulty paying the bill, or it would hurt your family by paying the bill, just doesn't matter. You must have a legal or factual dispute with the creditor in what he's saying in the lawsuit. It's always best, again, to consult an attorney about this. And of course, you can call us, talk with us about that. So when you're in court and you're fighting the devil, you've got to be able to have a game plan and be able to cross-examine his witnesses, and you have to have witnesses that's going to support what you have to say. Because you've got to act like your own lawyer if you haven't hired an attorney. So you've got to fight it out. So anyway, there is a way to stop this whole lawsuit business in its tracks, and we've talked about it before. And this is a method that is ordained by the Holy Scriptures, and it's something that is in our laws, and it's called the bankruptcy process. That can stop this in its tracks. In our next video, we're going to talk about your next option, which is to make a deal with the devil and pay him. In the meantime, though, if you would like a copy of our book, or you would like to have a consultation with us about your debts, please give our office a call or go online and make your request known. We'll be happy to fulfill that. Of course, our mission is restoring hope and peace to people in financial distress by hitting the reset button on their bills. So we are here to help people having financial problems. And I do look forward to seeing you in our next video. And until that time, may the Lord bless you.